So I've been a mechanic for in the service for 20 years now. So working on cars for probably about 20 years. It's based off a military concept. It's a concept as far as when you're deployed and you're in the middle of Afghanistan or Iraq. You know, we always had to get trucks running. So what we did, we deploy a mobile shop, and it goes out there and repairs the shop right there on the scene to get that vehicle up and running so it can accomplish the mission. I've been a Marine for 20 years now. As far as auto repair, what makes me slightly different is I bring a full shop to wherever the customer is at. So the service as far as replacement of tires, repairing brakes, actually putting the bearings within the hub assembly. I do welding, I do plasma cutting, all type of troubleshooting, and it's all done within a mobile shop. The advantage of having a mobile mechanic shop is if you're pressed for time or you need to get to a certain location, a mobile mechanic can drive to you and bring actually a full shop, which makes me slightly different than other mobile mechanics, and to get that car back on the road. So we replace starters, alternators, we put on tires, and actually the full installation of tires. I've done jobs as far as actually repairing the car right there on the spot. So it could be at somebody's work or somebody's job or wherever they're at. But the difference between some mobile mechanics is that you actually have a full shop. Everything that's in a car mechanic shop is actually installed in the shop, and it's also solar powered too. So if somebody's on the road or they have let's say they're on the freeway and they need a tire, what they would do is call me, and I would actually install the tire right there on the spot and also balance it. So I have a balancer which is next to the rim clamp. I have a battery charger, you know, if they need to get, you know, things charged up as far as their vehicle. Electrical toolkit. I have a compression toolkit, which is some customers say that they want me to check out a vehicle, so I have to check out the compression of each cylinder of the engine. So I use that. I have a tire pressure monitoring system, which monitors all 2007 and up vehicles have a tire pressure monitoring system, so I can also reset and recode the vehicle. The vehicle recoder, a code reader, serpentine belt kit, everything that's actually within the shop, a welder, a plasma cutter, a master bearing puller kit, so I can pull the bearings off anything that was ever made. My name is Diallo. I'm the owner of Sutherland's Mobile Mechanics. I travel to San Diego and usually Oceanside. I usually stay within the Oceanside area.